Hi, everyone. Sorry. Who likes unit testing? Raise your hand. Likes building? Very few, like I expected. Let me show you how we can at Early be the AI agent test engineer and take away that tedious task from you, freeing you to develop awesome applications while we test them or helping you deliver your pull request or your application faster. Can we start? Can you lower the volume? So Early is an extension of VS Code. Just search for Early AI when you go to VS Code or to Cursor, soon Codium. Once you install, you go for authentication. You can see your testable files, your testable classes, your testable methods. In this case, for example, I have many methods that have no coverage. The number you see over there is your code coverage. So the test has no coverage because it's a new methods. And then comes the times where you start generating tests. You can do that by clicking on the code lens above the method name or next to the methods. Once you generate, click on it's a magic wand today. Once you click on it, we start the process of generating the tests. Test generation happening automatically. When it's done, you can see a link to a test file and you can see the coverage going up fast. In this case, up to 100% on the file, 92% on the project. And then the next step is to look at the test that we generated. So you can click on the code lens. You can do right-click if you don't like our UI on the context menu and jump to the tests. The reason we get to such a high coverage is because we generate very high-quality tests. We generate mocks. You can actually skip them and go down on your test. We generate happy path tests. We generate edge cases. And all of these combined are the things that enable us to get to this high quality and help you both protect your code and soon find bugs. So Earl is really the entity behind the scene. So again, you can see here actually your new changes. This is your pull request code. Again, new methods, so no coverage, and you click on the magic wand to generate the tests. Once you click on it, a window will open. That window is about helping you increase the quality of the code. Tests are not really the objective here. It's quality of the code. And there are more things we are doing around it, like giving you documentation for your methods that you can click and copy, giving you suggestions of improvements, helping you understand your code. And once we are done, we'll show you what tests are generated. If those are green unit tests, you'll see them as pass tests. We are also generating red unit tests. Red unit tests that are good have expected received. We actually understand the intent of the code, and we can help you find bugs, which is really the holy grail of this. The thing you don't see over here is what we call collaborative agent. So once we are done, you can actually let you give us more instructions or directions. There is an area, even though you're at 100% coverage, there is an area I want more tests, or here is an example of data, generate more tests like this data. So not just 100% coverage, but also higher quality. So I encourage you to go and try Early AI, startearly.ai, that's our website. Thank you.